Are you okay? I did not mean to hit you that hard with this transition. Like, I was supposed to beep bop and you supposed to bop boop, and that was just a whole mess. Are you okay, sis? Are you okay? Like, I know the transition hit, but don't go unconscious on me again, okay? Hey Belle, thanks for tuning in. It is your girl unicehhairforyou. This is like my first video of the new year. I hope that your holidays was amazing, that you had a great time. I had a amazing Christmas. New Year's was sort of boring because I was in the house. So I was like, what are you going to do? I hope that you guys had a great holiday. It's the new year. I'm really praying that 2022 is our year, you know what I mean? Like, I hope that things turn around and get better. I'm trying to be optimistic and hopeful. We're going to get started with today's video. First off, somebody asked me, I have to find the comment. Somebody asked me to give an update about my natural hair. I decided to do that today while I was going to go ahead and do a hair review for you guys. So December of 2019, I cut my hair off, straight up buzz cut. A year prior to that, I had cut it off as well, but I got tired of dealing with my texture and I ended up relaxing it, and that has so much damage. So I recut it off again. So this is where I'm at right now. This is 1 year of growth. My hair is 4C. It's combed out right now. I washed it a few days ago. It's combed out, so like normally it's like down, like flat. My hair, it is growing. I feel like at this point I should have more hair. I don't know if it's just me or not. At one point I was using the same products for months at a time. My hair was growing, baby, it was growing. Then I changed to some Afro-G products. I've been wanting to use that brand for forever. But when I used it, my hair started breaking off and falling out. And I mean lots of hair. So I got freaked out. I haven't used those products since. I went back to my old stuff and my hair started breaking off. So I was like, something in that. I think it probably was the keratin was breaking my hair off. Anyway, so this is where I'm at now. I'm still very thin on top. You guys know I've told you in the past, I have very thin hair up here. So like all around here is thick, full hair. But up here, it's just thin. It's not as bad as it used to be because this, like, I wouldn't even have this much hair. It would just be like almost completely bald up here. So I do have a little bit of growth. Right now, I take biotin for my hair. I'm going to keep it braided up. Like, I love wearing protective styling. I've had my hair braided up for the last 2 months. I took it down because I need to take my braids out and wash my hair. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, but I'm going back to my braids. So Unice Hair sent me this wig. You guys know I love wearing wigs. They're great for protective styling. I already showed you guys in the opening here what the wig looks like. I have a kinky curly V-part wig. It gives you like a natural hair look. If you want to, you can just leave this section out. You can leave your edges out, however you want to style it. But it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So I'm styling mine on my mannequin hair. I'm just putting water in it and some leave-in conditioner because I don't want to put it on and then trying to brush it out because I don't want to cause damage to my hair. But yeah, it comes in this box and it came in this bag. I already took it out so I could get it moisturized. Right now it's drying. And then oh, got a whole bag of goodies here. They sent a lot of stuff. Let's see what we have here. And it's pink. You guys all look at some pink. They sent some lashes. They're really full lashes. I don't know when to wear these. Hair clips, which are really stinking cute. These are going to replace my black ones immediately. It sent wig caps. A scarf, it looks like. Oh, this is cute. Come on, Unice. So they sent this cute scarf. This is cute on those days where you have your hair down and you just want to tie your scarf on. It is cute. I love this. This is me. Like this is me. So I'm gonna get started with styling my hair. I'm not gonna put my V part in the middle because like I said, it's real thin in the middle, but I'm more fuller over on the side. So I'm gonna do a side part with my V part wig. I cannot braid. I cannot cornrow. I cannot twist anything, especially with these nails on. So I'm just going to like MacGyver, like maybe a ponytail. Let's get started. So what I'm going to be using to slick my hair down, the Elasta QP Olive Oil and Mango Butter Glaze Conditioning Shining Gel Intensive Treatment. And let me get a ponytail holder. So we're going to get started. So I'm going to use my Topic spray to help darken my area here. Hair fibers. It makes your hair look thicker and fuller and darker. So I'm going to use some of this. I'm going to link it down below. So guys, this is how it looks without the baby hairs. Let me put a little bit. Try to dull down that shine. This is great too for getting rid of that shine. This wig is so freaking gorgeous. It's so soft and fluffy, and these curls are so pretty. Anyways, so this is how it looks without baby hairs. I'm going to put some baby hairs in just a second. Look at that. It's 150% density, if I didn't say it. So it's a kinky curly hair. It's 20 inches. It's a V-part wig, and it is 150% density. Okay, so I'm going to put some baby hairs in. I'm going to be using my Kiss Edge Fixer 24-hour maximum hold. This is not 24 hours, at least not for me, but it does hold for a couple of hours. So I'm going to put some of this on. Can we all come into agreement? Can we all get on one accord and say how beautiful this freaking wig is? I can't believe that I, with my thin hair, and wearing a V-part wig, and it looks so good. It's so flat. Like other ones I've received, they're so bumpy up here. I could pull this back into a ponytail. Like, you know, it's so flat. It's gorgeous. The length is perfect. It's just 20 inches and it's all you need. It's so full. I haven't dealt with any shedding. I had a little bit when I was brushing it out. Of course, there's a lot of hair and it's kinky curly, but like this is not that kinky curly where it's really coarse and tangly and like sort of nappy. It's just soft. You guys saw in the beginning how the comb just slid through the hair. I didn't even detangle it yet. That was like fresh out the pack. It's just, baby. So I'm gonna link this wig down below in the description bar. Like, girl, go get your hands on this wig. Like, let's start the new year off fine, okay, baby? All right, I'll catch you girls in the next one. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Bye.